In this video, we listed the 15 best smart working tools for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: WorkPro Multifunction Folding Knife. The WorkPro Multifunction Folding Knife is a versatile and portable pocket knife designed to meet the needs of DIY enthusiasts, electricians, and general utility tasks. This folding knife stands out for its practicality and durability, making it a reliable tool for various cutting applications. Key features: compact and portable design. The folding mechanism ensures the knife is safe and easy to carry, fitting conveniently into pockets or tool belts. Utility blade compatibility. Equipped with 10 replaceable blades, it caters to multiple uses, such as cutting paper, cardboard, ropes, or other materials commonly encountered in DIY projects or electrical work. Durable build. Built with sturdy materials to withstand frequent use in challenging environments. Safety features. Includes a secure locking mechanism to prevent accidental blade release during use or transport. Ergonomic grip, designed for comfort and control, allowing prolonged use without hand fatigue. Product 2. Product name: CBN Golden Coated Turning Tool. The CBN Golden Coated Turning Tool is a high-performance cutting tool designed for precision machining and high-hardness steel processing. These tools are widely utilized in industries requiring efficient and durable solutions for challenging material applications. The golden coating enhances the tool's wear resistance, heat resistance, and longevity, ensuring a consistent and smooth cutting experience. Available in shapes like WNGA, TNGA, VNGA, DNGA, and CNGA, this set of 10 tools caters to various turning needs, offering flexibility for different machining geometries. The incorporation of cubic bore and nitride, CBN, known for its exceptional hardness and thermal stability, makes these tools particularly effective in handling tough materials like hardened steels, thereby reducing tool wear and downtime. Product 3. Product name: Professional Farming Pruning Shears. The Professional Farming Pruning Shears set is an essential tool for gardening enthusiasts and agricultural professionals. Designed to offer precision and efficiency, this set includes pruning and grafting scissors, cutting knives, and other hand tools specifically crafted for maintaining fruit trees and general plant care. Key features: durability, made from high-quality materials to ensure longevity, even with frequent use. Ergonomic design, comfortable grips minimize hand fatigue, making it suitable for extended gardening sessions. Versatility, ideal for pruning, grafting, and shaping a variety of plants, including fruit trees, ornamental plants, and garden shrubs. Precision cutting, sharp blades provide clean cuts, which are essential for healthy plant growth and reducing the risk of infection. Compact and lightweight, the tools are portable, allowing for easy handling and maneuverability. Product 4. Product name: Folding Hand Saw. The folding hand saw is a versatile and portable tool designed for a variety of outdoor and indoor applications, making it ideal for gardening, woodworking, and logging tasks. This multifunctional saw features a compact, foldable design that ensures safety and ease of storage, while its durable, sharp blade offers excellent cutting performance for pruning trees, trimming garden plants, and even tackling lightweight woodworking projects. Key features: portability. The folding mechanism allows the saw to be safely folded into a compact size, making it convenient to carry during outdoor activities like camping, hiking, or gardening. Ergonomic design. The handle is typically designed for a comfortable grip, ensuring a firm hold even during extended use. High-quality blade. Equipped with a strong, rust-resistant blade, the saw can efficiently cut through wood, branches, and other materials. Safety mechanism. Most folding hand saws include a locking system to keep the blade securely in place during use and safely locked when not in use. Product 5. Product name: Crimper Cable Cutter. The Crimper Cable Cutter is a versatile, multifunctional hand tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who frequently work with electrical wiring and cables. This tool combines the functionality of a cable crimper, wire stripper, and cutter in one device, making it an essential item for tasks such as electrical repairs, installations, and maintenance. Key features: adjustable automatic wire stripping allows for precise and efficient stripping of wires of various sizes, reducing the risk of damaging the wire core. Cable crimping capability, ideal for securely crimping terminals, ensuring strong and reliable electrical connections. Cutting functionality, provides a sharp and durable blade for cleanly cutting cables and wires with minimal effort. Ergonomic design, equipped with a comfortable grip to reduce hand fatigue during prolonged use. Multi-gauge compatibility, supports a wide range of wire sizes, making it suitable for both small-scale and heavy-duty applications. Product 6. Product name: QVivi 20-inch folding bike. The Yofidra 12-inch brushless electric saw is a high-performance, cordless cutting tool designed for woodworking, gardening, and various cutting applications. Equipped with a brushless motor, it delivers superior efficiency and longevity compared to traditional brushed motors, providing enhanced power, reduced noise, and lower maintenance requirements. With an impressive speed of up to 18,000 RPM, it offers precise and efficient cutting capabilities, making it ideal for both professional and DIY use. This electric saw features a 12-inch blade, ensuring a wide cutting range suitable for tasks like trimming branches, sawing logs, and general woodworking. Its cordless design enhances portability and convenience, especially in outdoor and remote working conditions. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it integrates seamlessly with an existing Makita power tool ecosystem, providing flexibility for users already invested in the brand. Key advantages of the Yofidra brushless electric saw include: lightweight and portable design for ease of handling during prolonged use. Cordless convenience, eliminating the need for external power sources. Durable construction suited for demanding environments like gardens and workshops. Product 7. Product name: Cordless Impact Drill. A cordless impact drill is a versatile power tool designed to handle a variety of tasks, including drilling, driving screws, and light hammering. This 21V cordless impact drill stands out for its wireless convenience, powered by a lithium-ion battery for extended operation and quick recharging. Its features make it ideal for both professional tradespeople and DIY enthusiasts. Key features: power and versatility. The 21V power ensures ample torque for drilling into wood, metal, and concrete. Equipped with impact functionality, it can easily handle tougher materials and surfaces. Compact and lightweight design. The drill's mini size makes it portable and easy to use in tight spaces. Perfect for overhead work or prolonged use without causing user fatigue. Multifunctional. Acts as a drill, electric screwdriver, and electric hammer. Product 8. Product name: Woodworker's Edge Ruler. The Woodworker's Edge Ruler is a versatile and precision-crafted stainless steel protractor designed for carpenters, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts who demand accuracy in their projects. This tool excels in measuring angles and edges with precision, making it an essential addition to any woodworker's toolkit. Key features: material and durability. Made of stainless steel, the ruler is both robust and resistant to wear, ensuring longevity and reliable use in woodworking tasks. Angle measurements. The integrated protractor allows for accurate measurement and marking of angles, which is crucial for tasks like beveling, creating joints, and custom cuts. Edge precision. Ideal for marking edges and maintaining straight lines, it helps ensure flawless finishes in detailed woodworking. Ease of use. The ruler's clear markings and ergonomic design simplify use, even for beginners. Product 9. Product name: Brushless Angle Grinder. The Milwaukee 125mm per 100mm braking brushless angle grinder is a high-performance, versatile power tool designed for heavy-duty applications, such as polishing, cutting, and grinding. With its brushless motor technology, it offers increased efficiency, reduced maintenance, and enhanced longevity compared to traditional brushed models. This grinder is particularly suitable for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking a cordless and reliable solution for various tasks. Key features: braking functionality, provides enhanced safety by rapidly stopping the wheel when the trigger is released, minimizing risks during operation. Brushless motor ensures optimized power delivery, greater torque, and improved durability, making it ideal for extended use. Adjustable gears. The 3-gear system allows users to select the most suitable speed and torque for specific applications, from precision polishing to heavy-duty cutting. Compact design, available in both 125mm and 100mm configurations, offering flexibility for detailed and bulkier tasks. Product 10. Product name: Electric Hedge Trimmer. The Yofidra 2000W Electric Hedge Trimmer is a high-powered, cordless pruning tool designed for efficient garden maintenance. Combining power, versatility, and convenience, this hedge trimmer is ideal for shaping hedges, trimming shrubs, and maintaining outdoor greenery. Its compatibility with Makita 18V batteries makes it a reliable choice for users already invested in Makita's battery ecosystem. Key features: high power performance. With a robust 2000W motor, the trimmer delivers sufficient power for cutting through thick branches and dense foliage effortlessly. Cordless convenience. The rechargeable design eliminates the need for restrictive cords, offering enhanced maneuverability and ease of use in large gardens or tight spaces. Battery compatibility. Specifically engineered for use with Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries, it ensures extended runtime and compatibility with existing Makita power tools. Lightweight and ergonomic design. Designed for comfort during prolonged use, the trimmer is lightweight and features an ergonomic handle for improved grip and reduced strain. Durability and efficiency. Constructed from high-quality materials, it ensures long-lasting performance and precise pruning, even for demanding gardening tasks. Product 11. Product name: Brushless Electric Pruning Shears. The 30mm brushless electric pruning shears are a highly efficient and convenient tool designed for pruning tasks in gardening and landscaping. These electric scissors are compatible with Makita 18V batteries, offering the flexibility of cordless use, which is ideal for extensive pruning without the hassle of cords. The brushless motor ensures enhanced performance, longevity, and less maintenance compared to traditional motors. The shears feature a 2-gear system, allowing users to adjust the cutting power for different tasks, such as trimming fruit trees, bonsai, or shrubs. With a cutting capacity of 30mm, they can handle thicker branches, making them suitable for both light and heavy-duty pruning. The ergonomic design offers comfort during prolonged use, and the lightweight nature of the tool reduces fatigue. Product 12. Product name: Measuring Round Ruler. A measuring round ruler is a versatile and professional tool designed for precise measurements and drawing of circles. Typically made from materials like aluminum alloy and stainless steel, these rulers combine durability with flexibility, allowing for easy adjustment to different circle sizes. Their main feature is the ability to create accurate, consistent circles, making them invaluable for drafting, engineering, and design tasks. The adjustable nature of the ruler enables it to accommodate a wide range of radii, while its flexible structure allows for smooth, continuous movement. This makes it ideal for professionals working with technical drawings, architectural plans, or any project that requires high precision in circular measurements. Whether used in workshops. Durability. Product 13. Product name: Cordless Electric Reciprocating Saw. The Makita 18V cordless electric reciprocating saw is a versatile power tool designed for efficient cutting of both wood and metal. Equipped with a robust lithium battery, it offers portability and convenience, eliminating the need for a power cord. This makes it ideal for outdoor and on-the-go projects, such as woodworking, construction, and demolition tasks. The reciprocating saw's 18V battery ensures ample power and long runtime, enabling continuous work without frequent recharging. Its compact design allows for easy handling, while its powerful motor ensures fast and precise cutting through various materials, including wood, metal, and plastics. This portable saw features a comfortable grip for extended use, reducing fatigue during tough jobs. The Makita 18V cordless electric reciprocating saw is an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, offering flexibility and performance in a wide range of cutting applications. Product 14. Product name: Terminals Hand Crimping Pliers. Terminals hand crimping pliers are essential hand tools used for crimping electrical terminals, connectors, and wire ferrules onto wires. These pliers are designed for a wide range of wire sizes, including 6 to 6, 6 to 4, 0.25-10 mm squared, and 23 to 7 AWG, American wire gauge, making them versatile for various electrical applications. The crimping action ensures a secure and reliable connection, which is crucial in electrical systems where proper conductivity and durability are needed. These pliers are commonly used in DIY electrical work, automotive repairs, and professional electrical installations. The ergonomic design ensures ease of use, and the high-quality material construction allows for long-lasting performance. The adjustable crimping capacity, such as 0.25-6 mm squared and 23 to 10 AWG, ensures that the tool can handle different wire sizes and types, providing versatility in various crimping tasks. Product 15. Product name: Brushless Electric Impact Drill. The 18V 13mm for ATN.M brushless electric impact drill is a versatile cordless tool designed for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. This impact drill features a powerful brushless motor, providing increased efficiency, longer battery life, and less maintenance compared to traditional brushed motors. It operates at 18V, ensuring substantial torque, for ATN.M, which is ideal for heavy-duty drilling and driving tasks. With a 13mm chuck size, this drill can accommodate various drill bits and accessories, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from wood to metal to masonry.